Yung Triad, parang alam na agad nila yung ginagawa nila eh. Napansin ko na yung body language nila, pasok na agad dun sa recorded audio behind. Kita mo agad yung movement pa lang ng pelvic region nila, yung bounce nila, andun na agad. Alam na nila yung groove nung kanta. I guess it also helped na groovy yung song nila eh. So madaling mag-groove sa isang groovy song. So I guess may unfair advantage sila if you think about it because of song choice. But then again, unfair advantage ba yun? Or baka talagang naintindihan lang nila yung task at hand and yung song na meron. So na-execute nila ng maganda. Kasi parang tight na sila, pwede mo na silang i-export as a trio and then release a song. It's gonna be a question of songwriting na lang at this point.